Hello, my name is Brian Bechtel, and I'm speaking for myself and Stan Waltz, and I want to tell you about our findings. We've found a hole in the educational system. Everybody's goal is to get our country back on top in math and science, yet we don't teach our children the three basic fundamentals of geometry. In kindergarten, we teach them about shapes and sizes. In elementary school, we give them a ruler and teach them about length and angles. But there's three basic fundamentals: length, angles, and curves, and the radius of a curve. We have found a way to fill that gap. They don't even touch of the radius of a curve until middle school, 7th grade, and then it's just the radius of a circle. They don't even emphasize that it doesn't have to be a full circle to have a radius. For example, can anybody guesstimate the length of that line? Well, approximately six inches. The length of the board, 2 feet. How close is the nearest store to your house? Mine's 3/4 of a mile. Can anybody tell me the approximate radius of that CD? I'm going to guess 2.5 inches. We were not taught that way. We're missing the third element of geometry in our young students. And if we can introduce letters and symbols in elementary school at a younger age, they would have more confidence going into middle school and stay in math and science. Students tend to steer clear of what they're not good at. And if we don't teach them, lay the basic groundwork, they're not going to be good at it. Take, for instance, the radius ruler. There is a how-to video on YouTube how to use the radius ruler. I'm going to measure this CD, and I'm going to tell you 2.5 inches is really close. I'm not a math person. Stan's the math person, but ever since I've been working with him with the radius ruler, I perceive my environment a lot differently. Take, for instance, this curve is the learning curve, and I'm going to measure that curve, which is 2 3/4. Our goal is to straighten that curve out, and we can do that by fulfilling that gap between kindergarten and 7th grade. Thank you very much. My name is Brian Bechtel, and for Stan Waltz, I appreciate your time.